All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I'm going to give you a Pinterest traffic update, and I'm actually not kidding in my title where I'm saying that you can 3x your Pinterest traffic within 30 days. And so what I'm going to show you is my stats and why my impressions are going up by 3x and also my outbound clicks are going up by 3x. And I'm going to show you kind of what I've been doing and just sit back and follow along. Before we get into that, if you're interested in building a YouTube channel, creating a completely real organic business that you can actually be proud of, that's evergreen, and that you can actually get free traffic from, then I teach this in the Six Figure Freedom Club. I haven't been talking about this much on this channel, but we currently have 75 members in there. We've been going strong for about 10 months now, 10, 11 months. So go check it out. It's only $27 to join. It comes with a bunch of classes right over here. You get these different courses over here. Right over here, I take you the case study. I take you from 0 subscribers YouTube channel all the way to over 1,000. Start getting 17,000 views per month on a channel. I show you how to launch your channel and how to build your YouTube business. And then this is the gold of the course or of the membership, because once you come in here, we have one live Zoom call per week. It's also recorded and it's uploaded in this nice library, and you can see very consistent uploads. Even September 20th, just a few days ago, was our last upload. You also get access to a podcast. So if you want to listen to the replay, the podcast on Podbean, then that service is now available as well. You can see the leaderboards right over here. We have our 30-day, we have our all-time leaderboards right over here. We have people that have been here since the start and they've stayed here. We've got Angie and Brett, Antonio, John, Andrea, Bettina, Pav, Stephen, and Ryan. They've all been here most of these members have been here the entire time they've been with me, joining the calls, being very active. And we have members inside of here that are making over $1,000 a month with their YouTube channels, and they've built them from scratch since joining the Six Figure Freedom Club. So just wanted to put that out there. Link will be below. Go check it out if you want to get serious about YouTube. So back to the Pinterest thing. So we're inside of Pinterest, and you can see my current stats right over here, 41,000 impressions, almost 100 outbound clicks in the last 30 days, right? So this is the last 30 days, but look at what happened the previous 30 days before that. We were only at 27,000 impressions, right? We were only at 36 outbound clicks. So take both those numbers and triple them, and that is where we're at currently now. So we've actually tripled in the last 30 days. We've tripled our impressions. We've tripled our outbound clicks, and you can see right over here. And just keep in mind, and you can go, I'll even show you some of the pins right over here. We do have one that's getting a lot of impressions that's been dominated, but we have new pins that are coming through as well. One of the videos that I created a couple weeks ago, like this is from the previous 30 days, right? But if we come over here and we actually select now the last 30 days, you're going to see the numbers right over here. There's that 41,000 impressions. There's the 94 outbound clicks. Everything is up. Look at green, 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 looking good. 184% outbound clicks improvement. So these are not major numbers. We're not getting 1 million impressions and so forth, but I'm actually going to create a case study soon. I don't know if it's going to be in the next week or two, but I'm actually going to build a brand new site. And the whole focus is actually going to be on Pinterest. I'm not going to care at all about what Google decides to do with the website. We're going to just have fun and build sites and actually that are very tied with a Pinterest audience. And we're going to build that, and I'll do that live right in front of you. I'll keep you updated, and we'll see if we can get a Pinterest account to the hundreds of thousands, up to even 1 million impressions per month, and start getting clicks on the website and start relying on, maybe we can get to 10,000 visitors per month on a website. So make sure to subscribe and join me, because I'm going to be putting together a live case study. And I think I'm excited about this one because we're going to be relying on a different way of getting one that we can be rewarded with longevity and so forth, and not have to worry every night when we go to sleep if our site's going to be taken down just because Google decides to push a button on their algorithm, right? And so that's why I'm a big fan of getting traffic in other ways to our websites now. And I like Pinterest because there is kind of an SEO element. There is some strategy behind it, but I think it's a lot more forgiving if you do it the right way. But now we're looking at the last 30 days, and I want to look at one of the that I created right over here. So look at this one. So 10 mind-blowing cool websites right over here. It's getting 131 impressions, and we can go take a look at this pin. I created this one for you. Look, pin clicks. This is literally bringing traffic to my website, and I created this one. Go back to my last Pinterest video where I actually created this one from scratch. I didn't use AI. I actually created this from scratch. I showed you how to go and get a keyword, how to go, and we were going after cool websites to cure boredom instantly. We were going after that. And look, we're getting activity on the pin. We're getting saves. We're getting clicks because we created a brand new pin. And you can see all this engagement. I'm using this sort pin. It's like a free Chrome extension that will give you stats. This is 21 days old. It's getting comments. It's getting likes and all kinds of activity on the pin. And then when we go into, now I'm going to go into Ranklytics. This is a new tool on AppSumo that I've been using recently. It's great for keyword research and actually finding keywords that you're actually ranking for. So I'm going to go into Ranklytics, and I believe it's under keywords right over here. No, that's your tracked keywords. So actually we want to go into analyze, and we want to go into ranked keywords. So this tool goes out there and finds all the keywords that your site's actually ranking for. And you can see right over here. So I'm tying this all back together with, we created this, we went to Pinterest trends, right? So what did we do? We went over here. I'm going to show you the steps real quick. We went to Pinterest trends right here. And then what we did was I typed in website. This is from my last video from about 20 days ago. We went to, and then I pushed enter. And then we came down here and we found, let's see, that's cute websites. All right, so that one didn't show up. But basically we typed that in, and then websites showed up, right? So there actually is cool websites. See, cool websites is just hockey stick growth right there. And you can go and find all these gems in here, cool websites, and then you're going to get cute websites. You're going to get all these different ones, secret websites. But we had this keyword right over here with cool websites. And this is a Pinterest first approach to websites, right? Pinterest first. So finding keywords that are trending on Pinterest, creating pins, getting clicks on your pins, and then that's a way to lead back to your website. So what we did is we went and created in Canva, we created this over here, right? We created this pin right over here in Canva. And then we went and published this, and it's leading back to our website. And I believe that I have, let's go click on this. Yeah, you can see right over here. I'm going to click on this and then come back over here and look at LearnWire Pro cool websites to visit when bored. I literally published this because it is relevant to my website, I believe. But we went over here and you can see this was also done as a test, and it did work. Cool websites to visit when bored. Look at right here. We published this on September 2nd. It's September 24th. So we basically published this 3 weeks ago. You can see the proof in the Pinterest pin in the activity. And so we have this nice post right over here. I don't remember what I used to create this particular one, but it would have just been AI. It probably was Koala, to be honest with you, and so forth. So we just come through there. There's your article. I don't even have very many images, just like a couple images at the top there. And then this is why I wanted to get to the point here is when we come over here to like Ranklytics, go to any SEO tool, Ahrefs or SE ranking, whatever you want to use, and then come down here and let's start looking for any sites. Look, best websites board, where it gets 260 search volume. We're ranking number 18 for that, right? So you come down here, cool websites to visit when bored, right over here. We're ranked number 21 for a search keyword that gets 320 volume. Interesting websites to visit when bored. So I hope you're kind of, the lights are going off. Look at all those rankings and the traffic right there. And then we keep coming down here, best websites. These are all different variations of that keyword for the article that we wrote right over here, cool websites to visit when bored. Now that article is now ranking for a bunch of stuff. We can come down here. It's ranking for a ton of stuff. Good websites when bored, websites to visit when bored, and it just keeps going. So we've already proven that you can rank for multiple keywords based on the one article. And the point of this whole thing is that we started in Pinterest. We started and we found the keyword and we went for it based on Pinterest, based on just trying to rank a Pinterest pin. I didn't even look at the difficulty level and can I rank this on Google and all that. I didn't really care about that. All I cared about was what can I create and build on Pinterest to get traffic back to our site. And all things ended up working because we were able to get people, 37 likes right here. We were able to get 8 people clicked on this and went over to our site to check out the article right here to read on it. And then also Google picked this article up and now it's ranking for several keywords as well. So this is a really cool strategy in my opinion. And I want to do a full website in the health space or something that I know that I'm interested in, but then that will also do well on Pinterest. Because I come back over here and I show you that, hey, yeah, we 3x'd our growth. We come back over here just to Business Hub. We 3x'd our growth in the last 30 days for my LearnWire brand on Pinterest, right? I'm not expecting much. I'm being completely honest and I'm realistic. I'm not expecting much when it comes to the growth and the potential that I'm going to get with Pinterest with an AI type brand and SEO type brand on Pinterest. This is not why people come to Pinterest to learn about AI software and things like that, right? So the fact that this is a niche that is not popular and there's not a whole lot of people on Pinterest that are even interested in my website and what I'm talking about, like SEO and stuff, right? They're not interested in that. They're not interested in software. People don't go to Pinterest to shop for software, right? They go to shop for, candles, and they go to shop for, sets and how to decorate their house and their room. And, they look for recipes. That's what Pinterest is. It's not about learning about software. But even with that considered, I'm still getting people clicking over to my website from Pinterest, and I still am growing at a 3x rate every 30 days. So that's what the point of this video is that you should be going out there and do it the right way, build a real brand. And I recommend doing a combination. So if I come over here into Follower, this is one of the apps that I'm using. Now I'm using about 4 applications at any given time, because I have Marquee, I have Generator, I have another tool that I'm testing out right now as well. I'm not going to name that tool, but I'll be doing an update on that one as well. But it's similar to Pin Generator. I'll just give you that much information. And then Follower has definitely been my favorite as far as the quality of pins that it can create. When we come through over here and just go and look at I'm just going to show you the calendar. You can see right over here, I'm using the tools that I'm buying on AppSumo. Look, I'm scheduled out all through the month, all the way until October. So if we come over here, all these pins are going out and I'm not being aggressive. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only 6 pins per day right now. So I know people that are doing 100 pins per day or more on their one single Pinterest account and they're not getting flagged. So you can really, really double down and do a lot of damage in a good way. You could really, really see growth, especially if you're in a Pinterest that is popular on Pinterest, and then you're also creating 30, 40, 50 plus pins per day. Imagine what you can do. I'm going to go into the dark mode right over here, because if I come over here into the calendar and I want to look at it by, let's see, by month, and where is that at? Oh, right over here. So if I go and click on month, now we're going to look at this by month, right? So we're good all the way to there. And then we get into October, and look, we're still over here at October 1st, October 2nd. So I'm already good and scheduled up until October 2nd. You can spend about 30 minutes to an hour at a time, getting about a week or two ahead. You can see the AI credits that I have. I'm maxed out on my tier. I'm on tier 6 on Follower because this tool, I just love this tool. But I only get to create 500 AI images per month. I think that would be about 15. So I'm not even up to that point where I'm utilizing this to its fullest extent. I could do about, I think, 15 pins per day, something like that, if I wanted to maximize it. So I am going to start slowly increasing this, but I just really wanted to make sure that I was being careful with the upload schedule and not being too aggressive. But again, we are in a market, in a niche right here with LearnWire that's not even popular on Pinterest. So join me, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you more information about growing your actual Pinterest account, and we'll be doing a live case study. So leave a comment below if you made it this far in the video, and just type the word case study if you want me to create a public case study about Pinterest, build a website, and the whole intention will be about Pinterest and the website. We will not be intentionally doing anything with Google. It'll be super fun. Thanks for joining me in this video.